Hello, everybody. You're welcome to our YouTube channel and also our weekly forecast analysis on GBPUSD. Now, today, I want to look at what we have to be trading this coming week, week 11. So last week, this week that just ended was week 10, and we're able to do analysis on GBPUSD and Euro USD. Now, if you were to recap about our trading last week, you will realize that we make several opportunities to sell this market, all right, to the downside. Now, before I continue, I want to first of all congratulate those of you that commented on our previous video, week 9 video that we did last 2 weeks. And we had several winners. We have about 2 winners now since we started the giveaway. We have been able to give our free mentorship program to 2 solid winners. And then this video that we're doing today is going to be another opportunity for you to have our mentorship program in your custody. You can join our team after you comment, like the video, share it, or whatever you want to do. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to also be doing the winner for the week 10 video on GBPUSD analysis that we did. So I hope you guys have commented. If you haven't commented, well, we're going to be doing the pickup today. We'll load the winner, and then we're going to announce the winner to everyone and then give them the access to our mentorship for 1 year. Awesome. So yeah, we're still on it. So get ready for this week 11 video that we are watching now. You want to win our mentorship, you want to get the giveaway, then you need to comment, you need to like, you need to share it, you need to do everything that you can to ensure you come up on the top of the random pick. So just one person we need to win, and then that person will have access to our mentorship for 1 year. Thank you, guys. And in addition to that, we are going to just look at the chart and then look at the forest factory to see what we're looking at in the future, the fundamentals that the market is going to give us in the future. So talking about next week. All right, so let's go now. This is daily time frame. I'm looking at the market daily time frame. What do we expect in week 11? First of all, this is daily time frame, and I can see that there is a massive trend line that was obviously present there. Okay, we have a trend line there, right there. So we can see that the trend line is a bit broken. Okay, we have a break on that trend line already because this is daily candle. So this candle right now is closing, but with a wick to the downside. So we'll see. So here we have, again, the market break structure. Okay, we have a break of structure there already. So, and where is this structure coming from? We're looking at this trend line that was initially created. All right. So that's what we're looking at on the daily. So we just saw that the market now beginning to head down. Well, where do we think that the market is going to head down to? We're not sure yet, but we can see that there's several opportunities for the market to still go down, but we're not sure yet. So let's see. We're looking deeper now. This is just looking at the daily time frame. So let's go to the 16 hours time frame. Wow, 16 hours. Somebody say, wow, what is it doing with 16 hours time frame? Don't worry, you get to know. So first of all, I have a key level here, which market I rejected multiple times, which is 12400. Okay, market has rejected at 12400. I can just simply put the coordinates there. 12400, right? So that's where the market has reacted previously so many times. Now this is 16 hours time frame. Now we could see that the market came to 1.1800 and rejected at 1.1800 right there. Okay, the market rejected at 1.1800 and started pushing higher. Okay, and retraced back up. But what we saw is that there was a break of structure on the daily. So we can see that the break of structure here, market structure which was a buy trend that was really running. And then we saw a breakup structure. Even within this channel, you could see that there was several breakup structure as well, while the market was creating a new structure like this. This was a structure break, but break again, another structure, creating an M pattern, and then push back up, and then created another breakup structure, pull back up again to break this structure. So they will say a lot of things were going on here. That's massive consolidation. But as a day trader or a scalper, that was several opportunity for you to, catch the trend and trade it. Okay, now let's look at this. We can see on the 16-hour time frame, we can see that this trend line has been broken. We can see that the trend line has been broken already. So if the trend line is broken, that means we need to pay attention to what the market is doing. First of all, is there a structure break? Okay, is there a structure break to the upside? We see this is the previous low. All right, we have a lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low. And then market push all the way up and break above it. So we see that at the moment, the market has given us, this was a pullback into the zone. So let's see maybe it's not broken yet. We can see that this was a previous high, okay, on that structure. So we are still within it, okay? It's not broken yet. There's no structural break yet. So we're still looking at that. You say, how do you mean there's no structural break? Because the market body-wise didn't close above this body, okay? Body-wise, it didn't close above this body. But let's look at it on the 8 hours time frame. The same thing, it didn't close above the body. So we want price to close above the body. So what we actually have right now is equal high at the top there. So price is rejecting, closing in doji on 8 hour time frame. Okay, so even though the trend line is broken, there could be a false break on that trend line. So let's see what happens. So now we can see that the market on the 4 hour time frame actually broke the structure on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, market structure break. So if market structure break on the 4 hour time frame, that means the market may now start rallying up. So what we need to do to look at what the market is going to do in this coming week, first of all, we have a trend line that is being recognized, okay? And then price already broke that trend line above, and then we're looking for a pullback. So now what you need to do to confirm it is to wait for a pullback. So you want to wait for a pullback, within this zone. Let me see. Let me show you the Fibonacci that you're going to use for this. Maybe this one. No, not that one. Maybe this one. Some of you are just thinking, how would he have so many Fibonacci settings? Don't worry about that. That's where the trick is. Okay, now we see this. Now we're expecting price, okay, may come back into the 50. That's in agreement with the trend line, reject on the trend line, and also on 50 and pushes back up. Okay, so we should be waiting for that. Because of breakup structure, we might be anticipating more buys this week. That's what I'm telling you. More buys this week might come in to push higher, to take out the liquidity at that high. So possibly I'm looking for more opportunities to buy this week. So if the pullback happens, I'll be looking at a structure break at this level, and I'll be looking at a structure break at this level. So I'm looking at targeting this level and that level for the week. I'm talking about weekly trades that is going to happen. Remember, the market doesn't just go up straight. All right. So you should be looking at a breakout structure pullback, a breakout structure pullback, a breakout structure, something like that. You know that? So that's what you should be looking at. So I'm expecting this to happen. Now, if it doesn't, on the other hand, if it doesn't happen that way, then this could be a false break. That means the market could come all the way down to 50 and break below 50. And then also try to reject at 61 and pull back into 50 and then fail to go up and drop. So if this happened, that means this will be a false break of a trend line. Then we'll now have price come inside the zone and then pull back into the trend line and reject at the trend line and then drop. So for us to sell at that level, we must see the sign of price creating another lower high. We need to see a lower high creation here. If price rejects and creates a lower high, then that's what we need to look for a sell. But we need a structural break. So at this moment, if you're going to wait for this structural break, then you wait for a pullback again before you sell. That will take long, but I'm not sure how quickly that's going to happen, depending on the market. But the closest objective, the closest goal and target for the week is a buy. I could see that the market is willing, even though it looks like a sell trend, right? But I can see that the market is wanting to start buying. But it's a trick. It could be a trick. Why? Because of market structure break. We just saw, I told you, break of structure here. Even though you're using this low on the 4-hour, we could see that there was a break of structure right there. So the market has broken the high structure. That means the uptrend structure. So what we see now that the market has created a new lower low. Okay, this is a new lower low to the downside. So it could be that this push up to break structure to the upside could be like a deception. Why? Because they did it before. They did it before. Look at that. That was equal high anyway. Look at this. Look at this. This one is a good example. Look at that. The break structure here, clean. And one would have thought they were going to reject at the 50% of this candle. Let me show you. Of this push up. So one would have thought, oh, 50. You see that? They reacted to it. They reacted to the 50, but it didn't hold. It dropped again after multiple reaction to it and dropped massively to break this low to create a new lower low. So they've done it before. Don't be deceived. So that's what I'm telling you. It's not guaranteed that it's going to just buy, because this could be a false break. But you need to be careful. While you are trying to buy at the 50 or 61 level of the Fibonacci as a retracement of that push-up, you need to be careful of what the market is telling you. You need to pay attention to candlestick behaviors, okay? Pay attention to the candlestick behavior. Just like something that happened around here. You need to pay attention to such an action that may happen here, okay? Now, another trick that was there is this. Look at the market, what it did. We saw that market created push up, all right, push back down, break up structure, but it fails to break. Now, at the end of the day, it didn't go back up. There was another structure break here, pull back in here. Break this structure, which was the previous high, and then create a new low, push up again, and then drop to break this structure, all right, to create a new lower low, and push up higher through consolidation to break this structure to create a new high, and then drop again to create. So you can see the confusion that is going on there. So you need to be very careful. All right, you need to add many other confluences to trade it as a trader. So it's very important. But at the moment, this is what we're expecting. So if the market go up by way of pulling back, then that could be fine. But if it doesn't go up, watch out. There might be a reaction. I just told you what to expect, okay? So for now, it looks bullish. It looks very bullish. But we have many people trying to sell at this level. A lot of people are selling. So while you are making this decision, you need to consider your fundamentals. You need to consider your sentimental analysis, and consider also your technical analysis. We are only looking at the technical analysis side of this. We haven't considered the fundamental and sentimental. So let me look at the fundamentals for the week, okay? Let's look at the forex market. From a Monday, which is on the 13th, we are going to be having just a minute. No news, nothing there. On Tuesday, this is March 14th. March 14, Tuesday. And then what do we have? We have CPI. We have CPI. So this is very important news. Very important news. And it's happening 12:30 London section, stroke New Year section. So you need to pay attention to CPI. And then there's GDP 7 a.m. news that is coming. All right. But that may not be as important as the CPI. So the CPI is going to be a massive, massive move. So you need to pay attention to that. Then on Wednesday, a huge PPI news is coming. So these are all the week loaded with some massive, massive move that the market is going to do. So that means all of this technical analysis that we're talking about today, we are going to see some massive spikes in the market, random movement in the market. But what will win is when we be able to analyze the fundamental, the sentimental, and the technical analysis to find a spot, a sweet spot for them. Okay, you must find a correlation. You have to find similarity, something close to what you know that the technical analysis is giving you. Okay, so let me see on Thursday. On Thursday, we have another massive, massive news on EU, especially those that will be trading EU and USD, AUD, sorry. Then on Friday as well, we have another news, which is going to be USD by 2 p.m. So that means this week 11 is loaded with so many fundamentals apart from Monday and Tuesday. On Tuesday, actually, there is CPI actually, apart from on Monday. So from on Tuesday, which is the main trading days, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I mean, the main trading days of the week, we're going to be having fundamentals to affect the market. So we know that that's where the moves are going to be happening from. So we're going to see major moves taking place. So I won't be able to tell you how to trade those news today, but if you join my Telegram group, if you are not there, the link is in the description. Now, before I introduce you to my Telegram group, I want you to listen. I do not, this is a disclaimer. I do not trade accounts of people. I don't do account management. I don't do investment management, investment scheme or whatever. I'm a prop firm trader. I trade for prop firms. I don't trade for people. I only trade prop firm account and my personal account. So don't go and join any Telegram group that is using my profile, my name, and they are asking you to send them money. You are not in the right group. And if they are not showing their faces, that means you are in the wrong group, because I show my faces. I always talk to my Telegram group team, my Telegram group followers. I show my face with them. I speak to them every week. So they hear my voice. They know me. I have this connection with them. So if you are if you are in any of this, if you are any of these Telegram group that is not showing their faces or telling you about themselves, and they are asking you for money, they are asking you to sell or buy crypto. I don't trade cryptocurrencies. I only trade GBPUSD, one currency, and I only trade Forex. So you guys should know that if you are in the wrong group, please be careful, because I have seen a lot of Telegram group that has been opened under my name, and they are all fake. Some of them have gathered about 1,005 followers from just using my name. Some of them have gathered about 2,000 followers just using my name. And these are all fake, because that's not me. I will not ask you to bring your money. I will not ask you to listen. I will not ask you to trade crypto. I will not ask you to invest in any crypto, invest in any portfolio. I don't do account management. I will never call you to say, bring your money for me to trade. I don't do that. So you guys usually need to know. Okay, very important. So this is it. This is the disclaimer out there. So if you're watching this video and you are in any Telegram group that you don't see this face there, and also they are asking you for money, they're asking to invest and giving you investment scheme, that is not Trader C. Brown. That is not me. That is not Charles Brown. That is fake. Those people are impersonating. Okay? I hope that's clear. All right. Now, having said that, I'm gonna do the video roundup picker for the week. So we're gonna look at the video. Let me just get the link. Okay, and then we will put it in the comment random picker. So this is the comment random picker that we're using for this, and I'm going to put the link of the video right there. So that's the link of the video. Let's select it now. Oh, what happened? Oh, the link is not working. Sorry, that's the wrong one. Give me a sec. All right, we're gonna pick the right video now. Just give me a sec. Let me pick the right video quickly, and that is, yeah, GBPUSD, because we're using GBPUSD for it. So let me just put the video. I'm using the studio one. So yeah, that's it. Now this is the video, week 10. Okay, now if you have ever done any comment on this video, get ready. You might be the lucky winner, especially those of you that are beginning traders. You're just learning to trade. So let's fetch the comments. So we only have 32 comments. Now we need just one person to win. Are you ready, guys? Get the drum rolling in. Come on, roll the drum. Let's see. Who is there? The winner is... The winner is... Oh, my goodness. Who is this guy? What name is this? The winner is Yemiti Sam. Winner is Yemiti Sam. He says, wow, great analysis, boss. Thank you so much for relentlessly helping the Forex community of traders. God bless you. Wow. Listen, congratulations, Yemiti Sam. Okay. Congratulations. Listen, get in touch with me quickly on the Telegram group, okay? If you're in my Telegram group, if you are not there now, use the link on this video description and get to us on the Telegram group and write to us. And also, you also have to reply the comment. I'm going to make a comment on your video, on this comment now in the video. All right, you reply to it so that I will know that you are the one. And also, when you come to the Telegram group, also send us, me and my admin, send us an email, a DM, and then we will add you up to the mentorship. Congratulations. All right, guys, that is how we come to a close of this this week analysis of week 11. We are going to look forward to more opportunities to come to trade. And those of you trading EU, I'm going to do the analysis in another video, so expect that, and so that you can prepare yourself for the trade. Thank you, guys, and have a beautiful trading week ahead. Bye for now.